topic as love marriage versus arranged marriage. Now we are favoring in a arranged marriage. I think it is also good because if the cities and the elders are giving a right partner to us, I think it is will be a good for us because elders is also fixed our life in a from childhood.
Marriage is considered to be the most essential part of any human's life. And when we are going to choose the life partners for us, then the criteria a decision to choose the life partners will be our, because we will have to spend the whole life with our life partners. So in my opinion, love marriage is a very good.
If we talk about our society basis, society says that love marriage is a bad thing and arranged marriage due to society.
That doesn't matter what society says. The matter is that what you
Mr. Balani said, we went anywhere and judge their within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes.
How can you judge 5 minutes?
No, my friend, if we are doing love marriage, we are spend lakh.
Arranged marriage, if you judge it in 5 minutes,
Love marriage
With your life partner.
How can you judge a girl from 5 minutes?
Say that in this time the
Just tell my answer.
going on.
How can you judge a person?
that divorce cases is not going in the arranged marriage.
Take example in our country that if the love marriage is divorce cases, lot of divorce cases just because of love marriage.
If it have,
my opinion that love marriage are great because we are spend lots of time and we are know each other very well and we are know the dream of the every person. But in the arranged marriage we are deciding the 5 minutes.
because there are a lot of couple who depart from their home due to love marriage and they did not support their family, and sometimes we see their parents are very.
How can you judge a girl from 5 minutes and you do you?
How can you judge?
Tell my answer.
I'm answering with you. I'm answering your question. How can you judge in a love marriage? Because you are saying that
1
you are saying that we cannot.
3 years, 4 years.
We cannot. You are saying that in a 1 year, we in arranged marriage, family take us the 1 year. But in arranged marriage,
What is the property that your lover, your beloved will be married to you? You can take the example. Laila did not marry Majnu.
Why? Because society don't want. Society is that mentality of society. Because society don't want. They want. But in our country, in our country, everyone has its own freedom. Article 15
we are saying that everyone have a right.
Then why do we talk about Laila and Majnu?
Yes, my opinion, friends.
It's not a society.
For your love marriage, we can marry.
Love marriage is not our culture. It is a Western culture. Our culture is not our word. So love marriage is
Let me ask the questions to sir. Sir is saying that arranged marriage is a culture.
Indian culture.
Then what about in the past we can hear a lot of examples are there. The kings who were just marrying, if you talk about, we see that Swambar and all kind of things were happening in the past time. Where bride was choosing his bridegroom. How can you say that? Where bride was moving with the garland.
Arranged competition.
Competition of what?
We are saying that bride is choosing her bridegroom. But in this time, we can also see that in our arranged marriage also we have a law, we have a right to choose, we have a right to choose the girl and also a bridegroom.
I want to answer. You said you have right to choose your girl. If let's suppose you do arranged marriage, and if you marriage, how can you go for a unknown girl to honeymoon? And how can you?
How can you say that there will be no love between the married which
after some time
he is answering you, when you will go to honeymoon, you will get to know. No, no, okay, I will allow one more only. He's trying to answer.
Ready, finish, sir. You are saying that when we are living, we are doing arranged marriage, our life partners, because our life partner chosen by our parents. How you can say that your parents chosen the right partner for you?
Other parents are forcing us.
They are
Parents is giving a picture of the girl and it's saying that if you are liking him, you can get married to him. This is arranged marriage. This is not arranged marriage that our parents forcing us.
Yes, I agree, my friend. I agree. And but
You are wrong.
I agree. Excuse me, friends. I agree with your points. And what are you do that arranged marriage improve and improve the dowry system, which is a rewards for our society.
And it is necessary. It is necessary if you are giving if you are taking arranged marriage.
Not you. You will not
But
answer.
99%, but 99% parents are take the dowry
He
and
is
promote the dowry
saying,
system.
he is saying that the dowry system, if you want to remove, love marriages are the best weapon to fight against dowry system. Because when someone fall in love, there is no matter of dowry.
It's not.
What do you say?
I want to say that it's not compulsory that if you want to do arranged marriage, then you have to give.
But
dowry. You also reject dowry if you want to live in a good society.
It is all about mentality. It's up to person to take dowry. He wants, if he wants dowry, he can take. If he doesn't want, he not.
But it is not running in our society. Every person.
Why not running?
But
because our
because
mentality
we are promote the arranged marriage.
If we are taking dowry, how can possible that our parents will be taking?
Just tell me my answer.
Because the parents are the all in arranged marriages.
Many type of cases.
But in love marriages, the boy and girls are all in all. That's why parents are, whatever they are doing, sons and daughters are not able to know what the things are exactly going on. That's why they are trying to say, if you are going for the arranged marriage, you cannot fight against your father, for the dowry especially. Because what the discussion is going on among them, you will not get to know the reality here. But if you talk about love marriages, here is no matter of dowry. So that's why I am saying that if you want to fight against dowry system, here the best weapon is.
But a lot of number arranged marriage are succeed in the comparison of love marriage. Because you can see Laila and Majnu, they are lovers also, but they are not married.
I agree with you.
Your type of mentality people should recognize them lovers, but if they are really love each other and want in their life, how can you expect it?
Answer for this question.
I'm giving an answer. You are saying that love marriage is good, but you are saying that love marriage is good and boys and girls is liking to each other. But how can it possible that domestic violence is increasing just because of love marriage? Because parents is not allowing to marry her. It is right.
Your parents will harm you.
My parents
will harm you.
I would like to answer your question.
Yeah.
Your parents will harm you.
Okay, now I have a question to ask sir. And now I would like to ask to Hans. Hans, like you know your choice very well. The fit, because what happens when we go to the market just to buy a shirt for me. So I will go with the fashion. I want fitting shirt. But the same way my father and my mother is going for the shopping for me, so they will go for comfort. What they will see exactly first, they will see that the shirt which gives me comfort, especially loose one, that is better for me. So here the two persons are going to buy the same thing. I will buy different one, but my father and mother will buy different things. The fact is that for every single parents, his son, his daughter is the most, you may say, the gentlest person in the world. And that's how they find the girl. For them, maybe I want a jeans and skirt and kind of girl, but my father wants that she knows cooking. She should value the other things. You know, they go for the spirituality, and here we go for the fashion. So in that case, what will happen after the marriage? There will be no conflict. What do you think? Okay, let him answer. Then you will get chance.
If you are saying that our parents will not take any wrong decision for us, it is not really, because in a childhood, if we are child, we are not understanding the things, but our parents give me knowledge that this is right, this is wrong.
if we really want to,
I can
I
answer,
want
sir.
to add one more point.
Why then you got educated when every time you are going to ask your father, "Sir, what should I do?" Why the hell you completed your graduation?
if we
I
really
want to
Education is important for us because but our parents is not a literate
Okay, how would we judge the people? When I say that someone is graduate, then someone is postgraduate, then I would say that postgraduate must be more qualified. So I will take his decision first, and that's what happening. If we compare us to our parents, we are more educated because why we live in 21st century, and we are internet users especially. So how can I just take my parents' decision all the
If
time?
you-
I
It's
want
okay,
to-
they suggest me, but not
I
their
want to-
decision.
Marriage,
I want to-
in arranged marriage, parents also suggested me.
I want to
if you really want force, if you really want, if you really want, if you really want,
We are free to take decision.
if you really want to empower empowerment, you should have love marriage because
We
just listen my question, listen.
Okay, ask them question.
Because if you love a girl, you know their ambition in life. But in our society, we are seeing that if arranged marriage are happening, parents are not allowed to do the job with his.
I think your mentality is saying that if you will do the arranged marriage, you will harm your wife.
I want to give
Really?
I want to give you
I will not do arranged marriage. I will do love marriage.
If you will do, you have to do your love marriage. You will harm your wife.
I because I don't harm you because I love you.
I harm your wife. Love him. Love her. Love her. You नहीं
I want to say that
You are not my wife.
we have seen that 95% of arranged marriage are successful, while almost 30 and 40% of love marriage are successful and 70% are unsuccessful. That's why
I agree with your point. I totally agree that 75%.
You are wrong.
No, but my opinion, what is your opinion that you can that in the family?
Due to love marriage, there are many kinds of love jihad cases are going on in our society. Why? How can you say?
Okay, the fact is, love marriages are the region of love jihad.
Love jihad because
That's why these
How can
marriages
show
are.
me any rule and IPC as you recent UP government make rule. Show me
you
any
can easily see in the newspaper.
any
You can easily see in the newspaper and news also.
newspaper don't read newspaper.
Because
Show me in constitution where is
in our
love jihad word? Where is love jihad word?
media is the fourth pillar of the constitution. In our constitution, media is the fourth pillar of constitution.
Yes,
Okay,
I give you an answer.
not love jihad. Anything else, please. Not love jihad.
It is a political system.
I have a question to ask these guys.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Balram Jube will answer one of my questions.
Yes, sir.
Here they are supporting for the love marriage. I want to know that how would you recognize this is true love of mine? Especially in the age we are, in the age of 20 and 25. Every day when I see any girl, I fall in love. More than 1,000 times in a day, I fall in love.
That's not my problem.
I see beauty, I fall in love. That's very
No,
common.
then you must.
Please, let me finish my point. The fact is, when we like someone, we do not see negative side of that person. And we do not like anyone, we always see the negative side of that one. So maybe at the time when I saw that the beauty with like a lot of things, decoration, makeup and all, and then I fell in love and I was just kept staring at her. And finally I fell in love. So how would I recognize her?
Sir, when we are fall in love, but then when we spend a lot of time to our beloved. After that we did a love marriage.
Okay, sir, I have answered.
Then we can recognize.
If a girl can cheat their parents for me, how would I trust her?
Yeah.
20 years of my life, she was treated by her father.
I'm just giving answer.
Cheating her father and mother, she is coming
How
to
can
me.
how can you say that she is cheating on her father because his father is ready to love
You according to me, there are many kinds of suicide are going on in our society. The suicide due to love marriage because if we see that
Answer first.
a girl fall in love with a boy and after some time he deceived him and cheated some money and go away. What? After that he
Sir, I have asked.
One guarantee arranged marriage will not give you.
Sir. When we are in love, we take a lot of promises. is that I cannot live without you, your dad.
I can
this answer. Sir, my
I can give
Love is not about sexual and affection. Love is all about understanding.
Oh, really?
Really, it's
You love
understanding means
how can you say in arranged marriage there will be no love? How can you say?
Yes.
How can you say?
if you don't know anything, how can you love her?
You didn't know your life
If
partner.
you don't know anything, how can you love her?
How can it possible?
I have answered this question, sir. You said that you don't know your life partner. That's what I'm saying. In love marriages, people know each other before 1 or 2 years of marriage, and after 2 or 3 years of marriage, they go to break up, maybe divorce.
Yeah.
What happens because the true love here, there is no true love. Love starts with lie. Yeah. In the other hand, we go for the arranged marriage. It takes 2 to 3 years. Okay, because after the marriage, they will get to know the real likes and dislikes of their each other, and that controls the whole of our life. Here, what happens before the marriage? I call, and then she said to me that like something really funny. Dear, come and we will go for the shopping today. I said, yeah, she's my lover. I have to go for anyhow. I have to make money and I have to provide, and that's what I will do. But after the marriage, when she says to me, honey, in the evening, come earlier. We have to go for shopping. Then I cannot because I have more
Love me,
responsibility.
for me is understanding. I will tell you.
After marriage,
Then girls used to say you have changed, and that is the
Jab love is meaning of understanding.
no understanding.
Due to love marriage, there are many kinds of robberies are going on. Due to love marriage, there just listen to me. Due to love marriage, there are many kinds of robberies and hacking cases are going on. As we have seen recently in newspaper, a lover want to fulfill their girlfriend demand because he was
How many cases are there?
she wants
I also read in newspaper. I also read by many.
Whole life with our life partners. The
I have to
take
listen.
Okay, Sadaf is saying.
एक को शब्द बुलवाओ शब्द
I want some
Sir, can you
No, we will
Continue करना.
It is a really important that before
इसको मत करो तो खुल गया.
it is really important that before a marriage
The real fact you believe in.
At last, I want to say that every coin has two sides, positive and negative. Both love and arranged marriage are good. But if you would talk about true love, then you can go for arranged marriage. If you talk about good food, because in love marriage, your wife.
This is not conclusion. This is opinion.
I don't want Here my conclusion, but I want to conclude that firstly I am really appreciating that marriage of understanding, which is a combination of the love marriage and arranged marriage. If we are loving someone, we should be talk to our parents, we should be married to her, and it is a matter of the understanding. And if we are going through the understanding matter, I think it is a very good for our life.
At last, I got.
अरे भैया नंबर चढ़ गया यार.
Mr. Sada, please conclude.
In my point of view, marriage is based on arranged marriage. After marriage, we can generate love.
At last, I would like to conclude.
Love is not from
At last, I would like to conclude. There are many kinds of cases are divorce going on due to love marriage. I don't At last, I would like to conclude. In arranged marriage, we also get our opportunity before marriage, because we seen that before marriage they get engaged before 1 year and they can easily understand with each other before 1 year, talk to cell phone and meeting with them. At last, I will say love marriage is not good.
Then love marriage is good.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that there are two types of marriage in our society. Love marriage.